Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I will be explaining you how to three-way call on iPhone. So guys, iPhone has a built-in feature like this. So to do this process, first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your phone and just simply contact your friend. And pretty much when you contact your friend, guys, you should be able to have the feature add at the bottom left corner of the screen. So when you select the add icon over here on the left side, guys, it will redirect you to your contact list. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and select the person that you want to add. Now, once you selected the contact person, you can just simply call them and pretty much it will let you do a two-way call and your first call will be on hold. And pretty much if you want to talk to them and you should be able to have a three-way call, you will have a merge icon instead of add icon on the left side over here. So you will have the merge call icon, just simply select that. It will be located exactly at the add icon. And pretty much you should be able to do this process. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.